SM.Jegadiswar. Today I am going to explain about sound. You all know that sound produces vibration. This is a project proving that sound produces vibration. I have done this project with balloon, rubber band, a bottle and a waste pen. Now I will show the demo of this. Put some rice in the balloon and say something. You see that the rice vibrates because when I say that, the vibration from my mouth travels to this balloon and this balloon vibrates. This is the reaction of the rice dancing. And this is a simple toy me and my friends will play in the weekend. This is a simple whistle made from coconut leaf. It's in our garden. We should keep our mouth here and blow it.
No, mister, sorry. That
You see, this produces sound because of this opening here. When we blow the air here, the air column makes it the sound. Whistle is a high pitch sound which is made by the small opening. Thanks for watching. Bye.